everyone, welcome back to Roxanne Moore, and this is your girl Stephanie. Come back at you guys with another video. Over the years, years, even my husband, we've been using these right here. I was faithfully using these eyebrow razors. You know, I got this. I got what, 5 here, and let me tell you, and I have a pack here. I was using these bad boys faithfully until one day my life changed. My eyebrows changed, let's say that. I went into Walgreens when I was in the US. I went into Walgreens and I stumbled upon this bad boy right here. And let me tell you guys, OMG. I was very, very, very impressed with this. If it didn't work, I was gonna take this bad boy back because it was $20. $20, you cannot beat this when you get, to me, I feel like I get the perfect eyebrows when I use this right here. Let me tell you, I had to come up. You see this? You see this eyebrow trimmer? I love it. Look at the tip. See that tip right there? It gives you the perfect eyes. I would not go back to this right here. No, well, let me say this. I won't say I won't go back to this. It depends on what I use it for. But I definitely would not be using it for my eyebrows. So what I like about this, it comes with a little brush so that you can clean it up. You use this bad boy. You hear that sound? Once you're done using it, you clean it up. So guess what, guys? Today is your lucky day. I am going to be cleaning up my eyebrows, and I'm going to show you all how I clean up my eyebrows to where they look good. And so that I don't mess anything up, you're going to see me looking down, and because I have to look into this mirror that I have in front of me. So let me go a little further. Okay. If you guys cannot see, look at my eyebrows. You see all this, it needs to be clean. I have to clean all this up right here. Even on this side, clean it all up, and then I'm gonna clean it up around here, all that good stuff. So what you're gonna wanna do, like I said, have my mirror in front of me. What you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna pull your skin tight because you don't want your skin to be loose because you wanna get the best clean you can get by stretching your skin. So what I'm gonna do is, you know what this kind of reminds me of? This kind of reminds me of when I was getting my tattoos. Listen to that. It sounds like a tattoo needle. So I'm going to pull my skin here. I got to get my hand right. Look at this. And you can actually hear, you can really actually hear when you're doing it. And you can hear it, you can hear the brow cutting the hair. So let's get started here, guys. You hear, ooh, you hear that? Tell me you don't hear that. Let's look. Listen to this. So what I do, I go up, I stretch it. Look at that. Stretch the hair. You can tilt it like this. Now you tell me, you guys can't tell me that. Look at that. Now y'all tell me that did not make a big difference. Now look at this side, how I still have all that hair under here versus it all, and it's clean. You can even feel, you don't feel no hair or nothing. I just go all the way up this way. Then you just take it on this side, clean it up. I'm trying to get that good angle so you all can see. See here, you don't even hear the hair. So all my hair like, there we go. That is that side. Now let's go to this side and clean it up. All right, y'all ready? You hear that? I like it. Then let's go on the outer side, stretch it, and I'm gonna stretch it up this way because look at that. Oh, you got, come on now, you tell me if that did not clean up the eyes. Look, it is smooth. Let me turn this on. It is smooth. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So like I said, I'm looking down in the mirror because I didn't want to mess anything up. But look, and I'm just gonna go over it again just to make sure. But see, you don't hear the sound. You hear the sound of the eyebrow thing, but you don't hear where it's cutting any hair off. Look at it. I am so in love. Like, I am so glad that I walked past this in Walgreens. And you just take your I'm making all this noise. Take your thing, you cleaned it up real good, but that's it. You got Walgreens. You can even order it off Amazon, but like I said, and also you can go check it out in JCPenney. And it is really good, really, really good. It cleans the brows up really good. You can bypass these. Go get you a flawless brow trimmer, and you be good to go. And make sure you guys use it on clean, dry skin, okay? Clean, dry skin, and you pull the brow tight so that you can get how you want, you can clean it up real good and all that good stuff. And what I like about it, it will come with the, this brow does come with the instructions and all this good stuff. So go and get yours today. Seriously, like I said, it might not work for you guys, but it worked perfectly. It might not work for everybody, but it really works good for me. And like I said, I was dedicated to these for years. I mean, years, until I stumbled across this eyebrow and in Walgreens. You can get it at Walgreens, JCPenney, Amazon, CVS, and all that good stuff. And I paid $20 for it. And you know how many, you get these, I think they're $2 a pack. $2 a pack at the beauty supply store. So just imagine if I've been using these for years. This already have paid for within itself for me to have bought so many of these over the years. Go get your flawless brow trimmer, and you guys, when you do and you try it out, leave a comment below and tell me. I got something flying around. Leave a comment below and tell me what you all think about this, and tell me how you like it. And we all up in this flawless brows together. All right, guys. I have to come real now. Your girl cannot do her video without her drink. So yes, I'm enjoying my drink today. Yep, I have the same grape juice. The white one, I didn't buy it today because I'm just so addicted to the grape one. And but I like it. The outfit that I am wearing today, it is a black and white sweatshirt dress. And if you wanted to kind of look cute and be all sexy for the husband or for yourself, you can wear your little hoodie and all that good stuff. And I am wearing my Steve Madden sandals. I love some Steve Madden. I got several pair of Steve Maddens. So you take the hood down. And I'm matching it with my white earrings. And that is it. This is my lounge around house outfit. So I can still look cute and enjoy the day with my better half. So tell me what you guys think of my outfit. All right.